Hey guys, decided to hit this old park again, and man, this is a great place to hunt. I have found quite a few merc dimes out here, quite a few wheat pennies. Let's see what we can get today. Lots of places to hunt. Let's see what pops up today. All right, got a great high tone signal here. Let's see what we got, so we can figure it out. All righty, hold on just a moment. Okay, got my camera set now. There's a coin down in the hole, right next to this big old tree here. Let's see what we got down in there. See a coin. Oh, look at that. We got a merc dime, guys. Boom. We got a murky. That is pretty sweet. Let's see if we can get a date off of that one. Almost can see it. If you guys can see, it's a 41-ish, I'm guessing. Maybe 44, 41, who knows. We'll get it cleaned up when I get home, though. We'll find out more. But first strike of the day. All right, we're on the other side of that tree there. Let's set this down. Not knocking everything over. And let's see what we have in this hole. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we got. That's gonna be weedy, guys. It is pretty crusty though. That's definitely weedy. We'll have to get that one cleaned up later too, see what it is. This is an old park. Always had great luck out here. Hopefully we have better luck today. All right, let's see what pops out. Hey guys, just pulled me another weedy here. Just now. That's pretty cool. See, yep, crusted over too. We'll have to see later. All right, nice find though. 1 silver, 2 of these today. Looky there, guys. Just pulled another one. Not too far from that other one there. Just pulled that one out pretty close to where I was at the other one here. Can't really hold my phone. There we go. Hold it with the other hand. And yeah, got another weedy there. Don't know. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Not gonna see a date off of that, pretty sure. Well, maybe. Looks like a 27, an early one. Awesome. All right, I can't believe my eyes, what I'm seeing right here. What just came out of the ground. I'm gonna show you, gonna flip you around. Wow. That's it, wow. All right, here we go, guys. We got shiny in the hole there. Look at that. That is old Mexico silver right there in a bezel. That is incredible. Holy cow. Look at that, guys. Let's zoom in even a little more. Let's see if we can get a date off of it. Here we go. I think we can get a date. Look at that. 1938. That is a freaking Mexico silver dollar right there. That is incredible. Wow. And my mind is just blown away. All right, hitting another great signal here. Oh, look at there. I think we got shiny down there. Quite a ways down in there too. Oh, look at there. We got another merc dive, guys. Merc dive number 2. Dirty Murky. That is awesome. More silver today. That makes silver number 3 so far. Freaking awesome. As you see, the sun's trying to go down on me. I've only got a little bit more light left. I'm trying to hit a little more of this over here and see what we get. We've had an incredible day already. Let's see what else comes up, guys. See you in a moment. Oh, B. We got some better than a quarter. Got $1. That is pretty nice. Made $1. Let's find some more of these. Hey guys, let's do a wrap-up video of this week's metal detecting finds. First off, we're going to start with a $1 coin here that we got. Got the, this is James Madison. So we got a James Madison $1 coin there. Not for sure. Let's see what the date is on that. Let's kind of zoom in a little more. If the camera wants to let me. It's being not so nice. There we go. That looks like it's going to be a 2007, and that's going to be a Denver, 2007 Denver there. Let's start off some of the Wheaties here. I've also got my microscope all tuned up here so we can kind of see them a little better. Let me flip you over to that. There we go. Let's take a look under here and see if we can get it. There we go. 1919 Denver. Let's see if I can focus this in a little better. There we go. So you got a 1919 Denver. That's pretty sweet. Tighten some of these up so it doesn't want to move. Good. All right, so there's that wheat penny. So that was definitely an early. Let's take a look at another wheat penny we got. 1941S. Not too bad. Take a look at the next one here. If I can find the date. This one's a little more crusty. There we go. Let's see if we can get that. We know it's a Denver. Let's see if we can move this around and see if we can get a date off of it. Definitely doesn't seem like it wants to take here. This one's a little rough. I am not positive, guys. That looks like it could be an O. There's no telling. That one I cannot get right there. So let's try another one. I may try to clean that one up a little bit more, see if we can get the date at least. Here's another one that we had. Let's see if we can get the date off of this one. There we go. This one we can get a date off of. If I can get it into focus. Looky there, guys. 1917, you think? That's what it looks like to me. Can't quite tell what that blob is there, but that's definitely a 7. So that's got to be a 1. Does not like a 2 or a 3. That looks like a 17, guys. So 1917, another early. Take a look at this one here. We got a 52D. That was pretty easy to see. And last Wheatie we got is going to be a 27 Denver. So another early right there. So we got some nice early Wheaties, and that turned out quite nicely for a hunt anyway. Let's take a look at some of the other things we got here. We've got the Smyrk dime here. Take a quick look at the date on it. I know they're 40s, so it's going to be a 44. It's going to be a 44 right there. Philadelphia. So got some silver. We got our other one here. Let's take a look at it under the scope. That's going to be a 41. And that looks like it's going to be a 41 Denver. So we have a 44 and a 41 Denver on the Merc dimes. I did get this cleaned up. This was from last week's hunt. Got it a little more cleaned up. It is a James Avery. It does have the Avery mark stamped right in there. Just wanted to show you that, guys. That will go into my ring box of all the rings that I found. It's a nice little silver ring there. All right, so for the best find of all out of this hunt, which was incredible, I was just blown away. Let's take a look at it together. How about a big silver dollar? 1938 peso right there. And it's in the bezel there. The screw looks like it's almost completely gone now. But yeah, that thing is beautiful. That is awesome. I mean, that is not often that you will dig up a silver dollar. I have only probably had a handful that I've dug up. Only one US. I dug up a 1922 peace dollar. I did dig up at the 1960, 68 or 69 Mexico dollar. And this one, and I don't know if I've dug any others. Maybe just those three that I recall right now. So yeah, this one in the bezel, pretty freaking amazing. Big silver. They don't get much bigger than that, guys. Well, let me flip you around here. Well, as you can see, what an incredible hunt was this hunt this time. Wow, that's all I can say. To come across a silver dollar, metal detecting is a lot of fun, or even a large half dollar. Big silver is always fun when you find it. This was one of my favorite finds of all time right there, and I'm very, very happy with it. That will go into my metal detecting find. Basically a case that I have of all the coins. That was phenomenal. So some of my favorite finds there. Well, guys, this is all for the Premier Train for me. We're going to head over to the next guy, and I hope to see you next week and with some more really cool finds. You guys take care. We'll see you next time.